Hello everyone to one another video of this series, and you can see that today we are gonna discuss about stock market again. Yeah, so let's just dive right into the stocks. And today, first of all, which stock I'm gonna talk about is the stock which I'm gonna talk about is PCBL. PCBL, you can see here the name listed here, PCBL Limited. And this stock, I'm gonna tell you a story related to this trade which I took in this stock. In the month of June, I identified this as a good stock of 2024. No, not of 2024. In 2023, June, I decided to buy this stock in July of 2023 after 1 month. Then I bought this stock at around, I'll tell you the rate, exact rate, at around at around 160 rupees, and then it started to consolidate for the next 3 months. It consolidated for July, August, and September of 2023, and then it started picking up the pace, and my fortunes start to become bigger and bigger, and then it again started to correct. Then again it started to go up in June of 2024. After 1 year, it started to go up, and then you can see that it was more than doubled up at that point in time, and then the stop loss was hit. And then what I did was I removed this stock from my portfolio at around 250 rupees. And then I again, now in the month of August, I decided that it is going to go up again. So I bought it again, and now I bought it back at 500 rupees, and now it is standing at around 572 rupees. So it was a good trade for second time around this time, and this was a good trade for me, and this was really a trade which I am hoping that it may go bigger and bigger, and it may go bigger and bigger as the time goes on. The investing was really very much simple in this case. What happened was the stop loss was triggered, and then I got out of this trade, and then I again bought this stock when I thought it was again gaining momentum. And after I got the confirmation that it was going to go up, then I started picking up its pace, and I bought this stock, and then I'm holding it now, and let's see where it goes. Let me give you another example of a stock, and let's see. This is again a stock. Okay, Gulf Oil Lubricants, and this is a stock which I bought recently. I think in the month of June I identified of 2024, and I took this trade in the month of July. In July month I bought this stock, and now in the month of July I bought it at 1200 rupees, and now it is trading at around 1400 rupees, around 1400 in just 2 months. In September it is trading at around 1400 rupees. So it is a good trade currently going on. So this is how you may buy and sell a stock. And currently in this stock, Gulf Oil Lubricants, this stock is really one to watch out for, as it has a lot of potential, as this lubrication industry is really gonna perform well, it seems, probabilistically speaking, because all of the relatively sectors, all the engineering sector is doing good, the railway sector is doing good, so this is also gonna do good in the parallel. And let's see what happens in the making, what happens. And so this was the two stocks I wanted to share for you today. And investing is really not that difficult if you have some patience, and if you know the entry points. When to enter is the big strategy point, and then you have to understand when to exit. The exit strategy needs to be good, and you need to have the risk management in place. These three things are the basics to a good investment plan or any trade which you take. So this is entry points, exit points, and the risk management. How much to buy? That's the three questions you need to answer. Like when to enter, when to exit, and how much to buy. So that's three questions that you need to answer. Very crucial to get successful in the long-term race of trading or investment, long-term investment, you may say. Even in trading, these three things are very crucial, but I generally prefer investing in the long term because it is the best. And it has been a big fruitful journey for me for this investing journey. So that is why I prefer to invest, and you can do this too. And you, if you need my help, I'll put my contact number here. You can call me there, and you can you can schedule an appointment with me, and we can certainly do something together to help you out. And definitely, if you need my guidance, do contact me. Definitely I can help you out. So that was it for today. I'll see you in the next time. Thank you very much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you.